Well, YouTube land, it's been a long time since we've seen her. Actually, the first time in person. This is my 68 Galaxie fastback with the 302. She's finally out of restoration. She's not done. Shop didn't do the best jobs, but they did a pretty damn good job on most of it. My rally rims I picked up off of auction for 40 bucks. Happy with that. White wall tires. L79 laser blue. 68 custom rear end. Wish I filled in the holes, but again, not the best job, but hell, it's a good job. She's come a long way from the matte black look she had. There's a few things here and there, but hell, she looks pretty goddamn good. Put in my new corner lights I picked up. 200 bucks for these things. There's a little finger right there. This is there for 200 bucks for both of them. Not that bad with today's money, but still. Still got that 302. Rust holes are gone. Brake booster. New washer pump. Radiator which the prior owner installed. Rest in peace. AC compressor. She is sound mean. Battery. I don't know why they put the ground up here, but they did. It works. So brand new alternator. Brand new sunlight switch. Brand new voltage regulator back there. Still torn if I want to go LED with these bulbs, but I got her up for sale now because, well, I never wanted to sell her, but I'm being forced to. It is what it is. That hood scoop off of that 68 Custom. Registered, insured, passed state inspection. Still looking for vintage plates, but 68. Thank you. People know the 68 Galaxie. Custom interior, which matches the paint just about perfect. Horn works. Interesting design for that. The armrests are original. Door panels are not. Custom flooring, courtesy of Charlie Tuna. Early three-way belt buckle system. She works. What the? Hold on. That's not good. We're going back to Automat. That's not good at all. Alright. First of all, got the right key this time. Five, right? Okay, that's not get copyrighted. My little aftermarket radio. But she fired right up. Angry girl. Original rear view. Yeah, she's come a long way. Can I say hello? Nope. The big ass smoker's box. She has come a long way. This is the orange manual I picked up a long time ago. Car information. There's come a long way. She's still not perfect. go yell at the guy about the seats ripping up now. Dash is still... it's not the best, but hell, it'll do. Oh, Wi-Fi still working. Oh, good, it's working. But yeah, she's come a long way. And she drives smooth. Hey, let me turn this girl around. Column shifter right there. Just readjust that a little better. Buckle up. See me alright? You lock this thing in me. Yep, that should work. Let's go for a drive. I won't keep it go forever, but family first, guys. Family first. Same back on me. Hope you guys can stay in Zoom. We are clear. Steering is terrible. She needs a new gearbox. Other than that, though, good power. She gets right up where I want her. So, hell, I ain't mad. Old Emily, I call her. Old real name. Again, I don't want to sell her, but I got no choice in the matter. She is a great running car. And like every 302 you've ever owned, they don't care. They just want to keep on driving. Let's see. Gotta counteract the pull of the bad brake. Now we're just gonna go through. I'm gonna go and park her. She's not that happy first thing in the morning. She'll fire up, but she doesn't want to stay running if you give her any less or more gas. She'll idle, no issue. But until she's warmed up, it's a cranky old girl. I love this car. I'm very happy with how it came out. Sad about its whole development. Sad about how much it went over budget. Even more sadder I gotta sell her, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, guys. But yeah, my 68, she is finally done. For the most part. But I think someone took my spot, unfortunately. Either way, we're home now. Oh, they didn't take my spot, just parked it far away. Let's see, I think that's close. I'll check myself. I'm still in drive. I'm glad I checked that first. Again, she's not the best cleanup finish. They do the chrome on her well. She runs, she drives. Keep quiet where you want her. And loud where you do. guys. Thanks for watching.